Hi friends, welcome back. Say goodbye to tanning. Every one of us dream of having a clean and clear skin, but because of suntan and dark spots, it is very difficult to achieve this. The best way to get your original skin tone back is to try out this homemade remedy with all natural ingredients that are easily available in every kitchen. This pack helps lighten tan and fade pigmentation, dark spots and acne marks. This is an excellent detanning face pack, helps even out your skin tone, giving you a glowing and crystal clear complexion. So friends, rush to your kitchen and start making this pack with me. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of gram flour or chickpea flour, also known as besan. This is a natural wonder for your skin. It is helpful to all skin types, whether your skin is dry, oily, dull, or acne prone. Actually, what we are adding to it matters the most. It also helps to lighten your complexion. Gram flour or besan is useful in treating suntan. It helps to remove dead skin cells and leave skin young and bright. Now I am adding a tablespoon of curd into it. It is enriched with zinc and lactic acid. It works as a natural cleanser. Above all, it helps to tackle a bad tan, dullness and pigmentation. Now add a tablespoon of honey. Honey is an amazing remedy for suntan and sunburn because of its antibacterial and healing properties. Now comes the most important step. This is tomato and potato. Peel potato and cut both these into small pieces. Now I will grind these pieces in my grinder. This is done. Strain this juice and add this juice into this paste to adjust its consistency. Tomatoes are full of lycopene. Dull, irritated or sunburnt skin can be repaired with this magical tomato juice. Potato juice contains natural skin bleaching agents, thus helps in brightening and lightening your skin and make it glow. It works wonders in removing bad to worst tan. Now this is our magical tan removal remedy ready to use. Now how to apply. Wash your face with a good face wash. Pat it dry with a towel. Apply this mixture to your face, neck, arms and feet. You can also apply this paste to your whole body before shower. Leave it on for about 20 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. After drying your face, apply aloe vera gel on your face and neck. It will give you soothing and cooling effect. Doing this regularly removes every inch of suntan. You can use this remedy daily till the tan disappears. Try this remedy and share the results with me. So guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share this video on all social media platforms. Thanks for watching. Bye.